This is just a quick one of my DJI Neo drone. Just taking off from my back garden and having a quick shifty round the neighbourhood. And then back again. As I say, not very long. And obviously, nothing other than this voiceover. But more complicated stuff will be coming out at a later date, I would imagine. The little Neo is not really suited to proper cinematic stuff, so I've got a DJI Mini 4 to do that with, which I'm now learning to fly. I'm sorry I haven't been on lately because health being what it is and whatnot, and also I've been spending time doing this with the drones, learning. It's all new learning curve. I've taken my flyer exam as well and passed that, so all going well. It's the beginning of some interesting new films when I get around to doing them. The plan is, of course, is to get out on the bike to various places, and here it is coming for a landing now. You can see me sitting in a table waiting for it to come down. Despite all the wind and that, it managed to land fairly close to where it took off. So anyway, look after yourselves and don't forget, be kind.